Okay, let's take a look at our next question. Here we have a client is to receive 1,000 milliliters of NS over a 10-year period. We have normal saline NS, of over a 10-hour period of time. So we have this patient, they're getting 1,000 milliliters over a period of 10 hours. Use a macro drip of 15 drops per milliliter to determine the drops per minute. Okay, so our drop factor is 15 drops per milliliter. So they're using macro tubing. Okay, and they want us to find our drops per minute. And so if I've got my formulas memorized, I can say, oh, if I want to find drops per minute, I just take my flow rate and multiply by my drop factor. So let me plug in what I have. My drop factor I have is 15, so I'm looking good there. But I need my flow rate, and my flow rate is milliliters over minutes. And so I've got 1,000 milliliters. They didn't give me like an explicit flow rate, so in this question I would have to calculate my own flow rate. So to find my flow rate, how fast this thing moved, I've got 1,000 milliliters over a period of 10 hours. And so this was just like the previous question where we had to convert hours to minutes. So if I want to convert hours to minutes, I would take my 1,000 milliliters over 10 hours, multiply by 60 minutes. That gives me, multiply by 60 minutes. Down here. And so I'll have 1,000 milliliters over 600 minutes. And so once I do that, I can actually set up my question exactly like this. I can go 1,000 milliliters over 600 minutes times 15. And that'll give my answer in drops per minute. So I can take my 1,000, multiply by 15, and then divide by 600. Gives me 25. So my answer here, the client is to receive 1,000 milliliters. We're looking at 25 drops per minute as the flow rate. And so this was just a simple, they actually set this up really beautifully for us. They said, hey, you're given this drop factor, go ahead and calculate your flow rate and just plug in your values and multiply.